Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this for sale. Something really special, the Ducati Streetfighter V4S. So this one is a classic example of the more you look, the more you see. Basics on it is it's 2020 and 6,216 miles from new, and it's had over £10,000 spent on it. So loads and loads of carbon fibre, many of which is Ducati Performance carbon. So the clocks around, the mudguard, the tank cover, you've got the carbon wings as well, these carbon side plates, carbon frame cover, full Akrapovic exhaust system. So if you know your Ducatis, you know they cost a hell of a lot of money. It's got carbon fibre swing arm cover, carbon fibre hugger, Ducati Performance seat, Ducati Performance indicators, solo, seat conversion too, a really nice set of chain and sprockets. It's got Rizoma bars on there, with Rizoma clutch lever, brake cylinder and clutch cylinders. It's also got the upgraded Brembo RCS 19 corsa master cylinder as well, which costs an absolute arm and a leg. And you can just see there on the screen where it says Racing Evo, which means it's also had the Ducati up map as well, which means it'll run beautifully with that exhaust system. But spec wise, these are just unbelievable. Will come with pretty much every single rider raid you could want: quick shifter, auto blipper, wheelie control, slide control, power modes, you name it, it's got it. You know, they're just unbelievable bikes. 200 horsepower naked, super bikes basically. But I'm sure it'll sell very fast. It's got tons and tons of extras. I did forget to mention the massive carbon belly pan as well, which is really nice on this one. But yeah, if you do want it, do be quick, because bikes like this are selling really fast. Give us a call, I'll get down to the shop. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.